In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your company logo in QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward process, and once set up, it ensures that every invoice, report, or document you create reflects your company's brand with your logo. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon. It's located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. The gear icon is your gateway to various settings, so once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you need to find and select the option labeled Account and Settings. This section is where you can manage the details related to your account preferences and customize various aspects of your QuickBooks experience. Once you're in the Account and Settings section, look for the area that allows you to change the logo. You should see an option specifically for your logo there. Click on it, and this will prompt you to upload your own company logo. It's important to make sure that your logo is in a standard format such as JPEG or PNG, and that the file size isn't too large, as this could slow down the upload process. After selecting your company logo file, give it a moment to upload. Don't worry if it takes a second. A successful upload will ensure that your logo is ready to enhance your documents. Once uploaded, QuickBooks Online will automatically save this setting for you. Now that your logo is in place, it will seamlessly appear on all your invoices, reports, and other documents you create within QuickBooks. This means no more manual additions of your logo to every document. You've saved yourself valuable time, and your customers will quickly recognize your brand's professional touch. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've personalized your QuickBooks Online documents with your company logo. This small customization can make a significant difference in how your business is perceived. If at any point you want to update or change your logo, simply revisit these steps and you'll be able to edit it with ease. So, whether you're sending out an invoice or sharing detailed reports, your logo will now reflect your brand consistently across the board. Remember, maintaining a professional appearance not only strengthens your brand identity, but also makes a great impression on clients and partners alike. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of QuickBooks Online.